Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. I'm Nigel Croft and it's Thursday the 15th of June. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the gold price. What you'll see is that we've pulled back into the middle of the trading range. Upside momentum has been lost. Yes, we are at key supports, but looking at the 4-hour chart, one should be aware that if the supports hold, we could get a head and shoulder formation, which would be bearish for the medium term picture. So on the daily, you can see that over the last week we've pulled back. There was a bit of hope that we'd break above the 1300 level, and there was positive momentum at the time. However, we were slightly overextended from the moving averages, and despite the golden cross that was created on the 20 and 50, there was no break up through the resistance, which was seen back in November last year, and we've pulled back. You can see now that we're back in the middle of the trading range, and we're back at the support of the 50-day moving average. On the RSI, you can see the momentum's been lost, and the MACD are now shouting a sell signal as momentum's lost. The short term moves below the long term. On the weekly picture, you can see here that we did break above the previous high last week, and actually it was indicative we were breaking the range, but it just didn't occur. We had a false break effectively. We've now moved back down. This has actually moved the 50-day moving average down, but we will get support from the 20-week average at 1249.36. Here, momentum still marginally positive. It's range trading. It's at 52.88, and the MACD as well are neutral as they trend sideways. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that we're nearly at the support of the 200 4-hour moving average, which is at 1255. If we were to consolidate here, I'm slightly concerned in that we'll have a head and shoulder formation. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That would be confirmed with 2 days trading in the 1267 to 1255 range. Then we would be vulnerable to a breakdown, which would actually see the gold price probably come down towards the 1230, 1225 area. So be aware of that. For that not to occur, we do need to get some upside momentum back into this market very quickly. On the momentum at the moment, it's negative. On this 4-hour, the RSI is down at 38, and the MACD are tracking down below zero as well. So looking at the support resistance levels, there's resistance 1266 from the 24-hour, then at the 20-day at 67.5. But as I've mentioned, there is strong support at 1255. That's the 204-hour, and then below there at the 20-week, which is 1249.32. So that's been TA for Traders having a look at the gold price. The key elements to watch are that, as I've said, we're in the middle of a trading range. We're at supports. However, we have lost upside momentum. A drift is probably expected, but beware if we just consolidate sideways that there could be a head and shoulder formation on the 4-hour chart. Please remember that these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinion, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please press subscribe. You'll then get email updates each time I come out with a new video. I don't just do commodity markets, I do equity indices, individual equities, and I do videos on the Forex markets as well. So you get an email update if you subscribe. Thank you.